And guys, another corner lot again, no? Guys, itong lote na to, malaking cut siya. It's at 423 square meter lot and just across the clubhouse din. Pero guys, ang maganda dito, big cut siya, meaning kung ang hanap nyo, medyo malaki-laking bahay or gusto nyo mag-build ng for family or even extended family, this is at Block 12A Lot 1. Ulitin ko, it's at Block 12A Lot 1. Ipa-flash ko na lang sa screen yung lot location natin. Guys, this is at 423 square meter lot. Sa sobrang laki niya guys, pwede na kayo mag-build dito ng pang-extended family. And guys, guess what? This is only for as low as 20.7 million. And then, ang monthly mo, for as low as 25K per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest. You can already own this Block 12A Lot 1 at 423 square meters. Guys, sa totoo lang, yung mga ganitong corner lot na big cuts, no, ito yung isa sa mga parang prime lots, or I can say it's really a prime lot kasi bihira po yung mga corner na big cuts. Mostly kasi talagang mga small cuts, and iba kasi din ang market ng mga big cuts na kagaya nito. And the good thing, again, no, it's across the clubhouse. And guys, no, itong lote na to, again, sobrang konti lang yung mga big cuts dito. Mostly kasi mga nasa roughly around 200 to 300 square meter lots lang. But more than 400 square meters, it's something a very, very prime and big lot. But then again, guys, this is for as low as 25,000 pesos per month. 5 years to pay at 0% interest. Yes, with annual lump sum siya, no? Guys, grabe. Dahil long term siya, 5 years to pay, no? You have more time for this property to pay installment. At the same time, nag-a-appreciate pa yung value ng property mo. And what will be the price here after 5 years? Grabe naman yun, diba? Once na-develop na yung mga commercial district dyan sa labas, dyan sa Arden Botanical Estate Township natin, mas nag-develop pa siya, hindi na rin ito yung presyo nito. Guys, again, itong lote na to, i-reserve nyo lang siya for only 70,000 pesos. You can already own this corner lot at Block 12A Lot 1, 423 square meter. Again, please contact me in my number below, no? If you're interested in this lot, kasi nag-iisang corner lot ito sa block na to. So,